Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. A closet door may seem like an afterthought, but if we have got some excellent do-it-yourself DIY closet door ideas to help you. Whether you are looking for hall, laundry or bedroom closet door ideas, once you know what's available, it's easy to find the door you need. Here is an overview of the most popular closet door types. French door are one of the classical ideas for bedroom closed doors. This style of door echoes the entryway of a stately building, so French door make an excellent addition to a large walk-in closet. Just make sure there is enough clearance for both doors to swing out fully. Another way to achieve the French door look is by using slab doors and adding doors, knob to handles, or hinges. And if you prefer a modern look, there is no shortage of sliding closet door ideas to suit your space. Sliding doors are great for small rooms where a hanged closet door would take up too much space when open rather than swinging like traditional door. Subscribe my channel, subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. These doors slides horizontally on a track system that's attached to the floor and the top door frame. Sliding doors come in multiple materials including glass, mirror glass, wood, aluminum, steel, and more to accommodate nearly any themes. In addition, these doors come pre-finished, pre-stamped, and unfinished, so you can customize them to perfect shape. If you are in the market for an affordable low maintenance option but don't love the look of sliding doors, consider Bifold closet doors. Bifold doors are especially suitable for linen closet door or a corner closet where a swinging door might hit the wall when open. The bifold door design can also fit into a lot of decor themes, although there are many styles of bifold doors. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching my video.